Shams made the beat.
Look, fuck all that happy to be here shit that y'all want me on. I'm the big homie, they still be trying little bro me, dog. Like I should fall in line. Like I should alert niggas when I'm about to drop something crazy and not say I'm the greatest of my generation. Like I should be dressing different. Like I should be less aggressive and pessimistic. Like I should be way more nervous and less dismissive. Like I should be on my best behavior and not talk my shit and do it major like the niggas who paid the way for us. Like I didn't study the game to the letter and understand that I'm not doing it the same and I'm doing it better. Like I didn't make that clearer this year. Like I should feel, I don't know, guilty for saying that. They should put a couple more mirrors in here so I can stare at myself. These are usually just some thoughts that I would share with myself, but I thought fuck it, it's worth it to share them with someone else other than Paris for once. I text her from time to time, she a mom now. I guess sometimes life forces us to calm down. I told her that she could live with me if she need to. I got a compound, but I think she's straight. But she supported since Hot Beats right before Wayne came and got me out of the back room where I was rapping with dance over beats that I shouldn't have in the hopes for the glory. He walked right past in the hallway 3 months later. I'm his artist, he probably wouldn't remember that story. But that shit stick with me, he always couldn't believe when he called me. You never know it could happen to you. And I just spent 4 Ferraris all on a brand new Bugatti and did that shit cause it's something to do. I guess that's just who I became, dawg.